Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can delete your Pixverse.ai's account in a very simple way. So first of all, you have to log into your account, and after that head over to your profile. However, on your profile, if you are using mobile version, then just click on your profile and it will give you the user info, subscribe, tutorial, question and answer, and logout. Now here you can see user information. Click on that. After clicking on the user information, you will get to see this delete account. After clicking of this account, the Pixverse will delete automatically your account from his server. So just click on that. Now you have to confirm your uh, confirmation. You have to give your confirmation. I don't want to delete my account. If you want, you just need to confirm your this, but click on this confirm button, then your ID will automatically get deleted. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.